Hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in this particular video we'll be focusing on what's coming in the photography kit itself. Now in the previous podcast that we did with Anuj and Gautam, we already saw the fact that we have a 15 Ultra box, and in this box what you get is basically the Xiaomi 15 Ultra itself in its beautiful silver chrome finish. This is a special edition that pays homage to the Leica M11, and Leica is celebrating its 100th year anniversary this year in terms of cameras. Apart from that, in the box is also a very good high quality case that's transparent and allows you to still showcase and hero the design of the 15 Ultra. You also get a SIM ejector pin, a quick start guide, as well as a 90-watt fast charger in the box with a USB-C cable as well. Now that's for the 15 Ultra box. It comes in one single variant like I mentioned, but apart from that, we are also bundling a 15 Ultra photography kit Legend Edition. Now this is Legend Edition because it pays homage to again another Leica camera in this beautiful color, which we shall take a closer look at very soon. Now this is coming free of cost with every single order as long as you're buying it on March 18th, which is part of the Inner Circle drop, or if you're pre-ordering it between 19th of March all the way up and 2nd of April. So anyone who pre-orders the 15 Ultra and anyone who buys it on the Inner Circle drop will get a free Legend Edition Xiaomi 15 Ultra photography kit. Now let's go ahead and unbox it. Of course, the box packaging is very similar to the phone packaging itself, but let's dive into the details and what are the contents that you get with this amazing photography kit. So of course, again, you can see here Xiaomi 15 Ultra photography kit Legend Edition, and these are some of the additions that we have made over the previous generation one. First off is the fact that you get this new grip. This is basically your thumb grip. You are able to actually rest your thumb in a much better position for better ergonomics, for better control and more stability when you're shooting photos or videos. And we've also added these customizable new shutter buttons. So the previous one just had one single shutter button. Now you're actually having these two additional ones which you can swap out for whenever you need it. Now I'll also showcase what else you get in the box and then explain how these two rings also come into play. But here is the case. So this is the case that you will actually need to snap onto your device in order to use it to its fullest potential. So I'll start by just putting this on. So that is the case itself. And now here, this is a decorative ring. So this decorative ring actually can be sort of removed this way by pressing this button here, this release button. And you get two different options for the decorative ring. Either you can go for a red and black combo just like the case itself, or you can go a bit more stealth and have a black ring here, which also looks really good in my opinion. Now these are two different rings which are more aesthetic in nature. I actually like the black one, also gives a stealth look, but it has the red border thanks to the case. Now this case also has the same vegan leather finish and beautiful high quality materials on the side and a grooved power button as well. But in case you are an avid photographer, what you can also do is the fact that you can actually take this thread filter. So this is basically a 67mm threaded filter, and you can attach various different filters to this, including UV filters, polarizers, ND filters and so on, to actually elevate your photography game to the next level. Now this is the components of the case and the attachments, but then we come on to the next bit, which is actually the camera grip itself. Now this here is the latest edition of the camera grip that we have here. This slots in along with your case, giving a very snug finish. You just need to toggle the click here to lock it in place, and as you can see, it already starts charging. This comes with a 2000 mAh battery which allows it to charge pretty well, pretty quickly anytime you need it. So there are different modes that you can customize in the menu itself. Either you can set it to charge when it hits a certain battery level, or you can leave it to charge automatically as and when you connect it. The choice is yours. Now apart from that, if you look at the overall buttons here, you have a recording button, you have the shutter button, you have a toggle here to zoom in, zoom out or change between various modes. You have a dial here which allows to customize various different functions, and of course, like I mentioned, you have the lock switch here. At the bottom you actually have an LED indicator to showcase the charge, a lanyard eyelet and the USB-C port, which also supports pass-through charging for your smartphone. Now this is where the thumb grip actually comes into place. All you need to do is sort of unlock this, and once that is done, you can actually connect the thumb grip here and lock it back into place. And for the sake of this particular video, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use the red shutter button here, and I just need to screw this into place as well. So that's your camera grip fully assembled, and of course you can put the red ring or any other ring that you want, but this is how a really serious smartphone looks like when it's coupled with the photography kit. So this is absolutely beautiful in terms of the fit and finish, but also adds a lot of ergonomic value because you are obviously getting this extended grip which fits better into the palm of your hands. You have your shutter button which fits well into your index finger, but you're also having this thumb grip to ensure that you're having great control of your device in terms of stability, in terms of ensuring that you have that perfect shot. And of course, if you just want to launch it, you just have to press the shutter button and you automatically get into it. And one really cool thing which I love is the fact that the fast shot mode actually gets even better with this new UI. So all you need to do is go into fast shot mode and click this, and it launches a camera-like interface which mimics a proper camera. And again, you have the quick toggles for like authentic, the various filters, or like a vibrant mode in case you want it, or you can also go with the various different focal lengths, EV as well as autofocus. It's a very beautiful looking interface over here, and the fact that you can also customize the shutter style. So here I've got it set up to actually have a Leica logo as a shutter button, which is a cool touch as well that I personally like to use. Or you can even set photos of your friends and family, or you can choose just about anything and customize it, or you can also go with the various different shutter styles that are there in the application itself. So for example, if I change it to red, you'll see the shutter button has changed. Or in fact, I have a funny photo of Ritij, a colleague of ours, and you can set it to his photo as well. So that was the overall photography kit itself. Apart from that, in the box, what you also get is the user manual. There's a user manual showcasing what comes with it, and the last addition to this entire photography kit is the lanyard itself, again finished in beautiful black and red color. So all this together allows you to quickly go from being the best smartphone camera to actually having the best camera on you at all times. So it basically enables you to capture much better photos, much better videos anytime, anywhere. And considering the fact that you're bound to also use a lot of your smartphone's battery when you're clicking photos or videos, this additional power bank of 2000 mAh that comes with the grip also provides you much more flexibility and much more confidence when you're out and about shooting. If you have any questions, let us know in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned and see you again in the next one.
Xiaomi.